Hello, my wonderful fans. I hope you're doing well today. Also, a very big thank you for the support which you've given to me and for continuously coming to watch my channel. You're the reason why I'm making this video today. For those who have been watching, who have not subscribed, or who are here for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It is very important. It's going to help you to see all our videos. If you don't do so, you are going to miss in a lot of videos which we make that will help you. Well, today we have a very interesting topic and I would like you to be with me from beginning to the end. We have a lot of things which you are going to learn today. Today's topic is 10 signs you will become a millionaire. Whoa, yes. 10 signs you will become a millionaire. You know, a lot of time people are like, are you sure I will ever be a millionaire? Well, the answer is yes and no. It depends on the things which you do. Well, it's not just dependent on our efforts. It also depends on God's grace and His love towards us, His blessings. But then we have a role to play. You might actually be on your way to become a millionaire if you are keeping this, if these 10 signs are manifesting in your life. But then, you know, it all depends on what you do and how you do them. Today's video is going to enumerate the 10 signs which will show that you are just on your way to become a millionaire. Sign number 1, be disciplined. Discipline extends beyond financial management. Discipline itself is a life skill that guides every decision you take, you know, every goal you set, and even every task you commit to completion. So it is simply a bridge, you know, between your goals and your success. So if you ask me, I would say if you ask yourself relevant questions like maybe, do I set my goals? Do you save a portion of your income? Do you avoid unnecessary expenditure and prioritize your need and wants? You know, then you are the right track towards becoming a millionaire. Your discipline in spending, investing, and saving. You know, it is not just about making money, but it is also about managing it responsibly. So, you know, a wise man say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Sign number 2, you take calculated risk. Yes, as any millionaire must take risk, but then your risk has to be what? Calculated. If you shy away from calculated risk, then you are failed already. Remember that the habit of a billionaire is taking risk. They know that if they don't take risk, they have already failed. So you need to step out of your comfort zone. If you find yourself constantly stepping out of the boundary, you are on your way to become a millionaire. Remember, it is not just every risk, but calculated risk. It is not about making every reckless move. Oh, I want to become a millionaire. No, but it is about making strategic and calculated risk. Sign number 3, you are persistent. If you feel setback in a journey, but you're able to handle it, then you're on your way. Okay? If you're able to move, even when there are failures, and you continue to move, you just realize that you're on your way to become a millionaire. If you see failure as a stepping stone other than a setback, then the journey has begun. Now, sign number 4, you prioritize personal development. You know, if you prioritize personal development, read books, conduct research, enroll on online courses and skills, you know, even physical skills, then you are on your way right in the journey. Millionaires believe in continuous development, always seeking for a better version of themselves, thinking of how to become a better version of themselves. And millionaires place high priority to personal development. If you believe in your personal development and in the reward that follows it, you are just having that millionaire habit. Sign number 5, you are solution oriented. This is wonderful. You know, if you are a person who sees opportunities where others see failure, and problems, then you're displaying the habit of a millionaire. Just recently I talked about it and I said, like in Nigeria, there is a fuel hike where fuel has gone up to 630 naira per liter. And if you don't see just that problem of fuel hike, and you see how you can start making an energy, a free energy generator and make money from it, then you're on your way to become a millionaire. Millionaires do not just say, they do not just find solution, but they find a solution that works. Not every solution works, and have values. Sign number 6, you are a lifelong learner. A millionaire should believe in continuous development. Not just in continuous development, but have passion to continue learning. If you continue learning, then you will be able to improve yourself, and you have a lot of information that will fetch you wealth. Sign number 7, you network effectively. Well, if you network effectively, then you're way too good to go. Remember, your network is a net worth. So, whatever your network is, if I look at it, then I score you and I give you your net worth. So, if you know how to build and run a network effectively, you're just at the right track. Network is not just about sharing business cards and saying hello, hi, taking phone numbers, but it is cultivating meaningful relationship and adding values to people. Because if you don't add value to people, they kick you out. Sometimes we think we are smart and we want to just get into people, get their phone numbers, get to do business with them and run away. No. You should be asking yourself, what value do I add to this person who I'm meeting? The moment you start adding value to them, then you're going to build a lasting relationship. Now just take a look of building an effective network. You walk into a room and you find 10 gentlemen, and you're able to network with them effectively, and each of these gentlemen have 10 persons in their network. It means that within a visit, you have networked with 100 persons. Yes, that is what it means. So again, in networking, you need to build reputation and you must be genuine. Focus on knowing the persons and how you can help people solve their problems other than what you get from them. Because if you only rely on what you get from them, they will kick you out as soon as they realize you have no value to add to them. Sign number 8, you have a mentor. Yes. Having someone who has been there before is a great deal. If you have someone who has been a millionaire to mentor you, then it becomes very easy for you to know the secret of being a millionaire. Sign number 9, you value time more than money. Well, if you know that whatever money you don't have today you can gain tomorrow, then that is a simple way to understand. But whatever time you spend today, you can never gain again. So if you value time more than money, you're on your way to become a millionaire. You don't sell the time, you invest it. You do things that can help you earn money. If you sell your time, just go to work for $100 in a day or $50 in a day, you sell your time. But when you invest your time, you can actually make $2,000 in a day, $5,000 in a day, and much more than that. So if you see yourself prioritizing your time and see it as an investment, you are just on your way to become a millionaire. Sign number 10, action. Millionaires take actions. Millionaires knows that idea without action remains just a dream. To just be like a dream, a nightmare. But action is a bridge, of course, within the plan and fulfillment. It is action that will bridge your plan and make it to come to a fulfillment. Every goal, every dream is a fantasy without an action. So if you want to have a lot of ideas, have a lot of goals, a lot of dreams, without an actions, they remain fantasy. These are just 10 signs that you're on your way to become a millionaire. Congratulations if you find yourself within this. Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment. You're the very reason why we are making this video. And please be my guest. Make your comments. Tell me what you like about these 10 points, what you're doing currently, and what you're not doing, and what you start doing differently to become a millionaire. Congratulations once again. See you there. Cheers.